The Leichter Panzerspähwagen was developed to meet the Wehrmacht's need for a fast and mobile reconnaissance vehicle. With the rapid advances in warfare, the German military required a vehicle capable of scouting enemy positions, relaying information, and providing light fire support, all while maintaining high mobility and speed. Manufactured by Auto Union and Horch, the Leichter Panzerspähwagen was based on a standard 4x4 heavy passenger car chassis. The design incorporated an armored body to protect the crew, while still being light enough to ensure high speed and maneuverability. Various models were produced, each with incremental improvements to meet the evolving demands of the battlefield. The testing phase of the Leichter Panzerspähwagen involved rigorous trials across different terrains and weather conditions. These tests ensured that the vehicle could perform effectively in diverse operational scenarios, from the deserts of North Africa to the forests of Eastern Europe. Its performance in these tests led to further refinements and improvements. The Leichter Panzerspähwagen had a mass of around 4.8 tons, 4,350 kilograms, a length of 15.4 feet, 4.7 meters, a width of 6.2 feet, 1.9 meters, and a height of 6.5 feet, 2 meters. It was armed with a 20mm KWK-30 or KWK-38 autocannon and a 7.92mm MG-34 machine gun. The vehicle's armor ranged from 8 to 14.5 millimeters thick, providing adequate protection against small arms fire and shrapnel. It had a top speed of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, and a range of approximately 186 miles, 300 kilometers. One of the major advantages of the Leichter Panzerspähwagen was its speed and mobility. Its 4x4 configuration and powerful engine allowed it to traverse difficult terrains quickly, making it an ideal choice for reconnaissance missions. The combination of light armor and armament provided a balance between protection and offensive capability. A unique feature of the Leichter Panzerspähwagen was its sloped armor design, which provided increased protection without adding significant weight. The vehicle also featured an open-top turret in some variants, allowing for greater visibility and flexibility for the crew. The Leichter Panzerspähwagen typically had a crew of 3, a driver, a commander, and a radio operator. This setup ensured efficient operation and communication during reconnaissance missions. Throughout World War II, the Leichter Panzerspähwagen saw extensive use in various theaters of war. It was particularly effective in the early blitzkrieg campaigns, providing valuable reconnaissance information that facilitated rapid advances. The vehicle was also used in defensive operations, delaying enemy forces and gathering intelligence. One of the main drawbacks of the Leichter Panzerspähwagen was its light armor, which offered limited protection against heavier weapons and anti-tank measures. This design choice was a compromise to maintain high speed and maneuverability. Additionally, the open-topped variants were vulnerable to grenades and artillery shrapnel. To address some of these issues, later models of the Leichter Panzerspähwagen featured improvements such as enclosed turrets and slightly thicker armor. However, these modifications were limited due to the vehicle's primary role as a reconnaissance platform, where speed and mobility were prioritized. Approximately 2,400 units of the Leichter Panzerspähwagen were produced between 1935 and 1944. These vehicles served in various capacities throughout the war, proving their value as versatile reconnaissance tools. The Leichter Panzerspähwagen remains a symbol of German ingenuity and the importance of reconnaissance in warfare. Its legacy continues to influence modern military vehicle design. Thanks for joining us on this detailed exploration of the Leichter Panzerspähwagen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more military technology insights.